Turning now to the latest on a Pinpoint weather alert as we give you a live look towards the city of Providence. Some freezing rain could lead to some slick spots on the roads tonight. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca joins us. Just be careful when you're out there tonight.
Yeah, certainly, Mike, anything untreated and not so much like secondary roads, but your driveway, your walkway, the front stairs, parking lots and things like that, anything untreated. And it's mainly inland areas where it's a little colder. Now, most of the major roads still have a lot of salt residue on them from previous weather systems, but still, just be mindful nonetheless. Now, Newport's at 31. Most areas checking in between 30 and 35 degrees right now, so some below, some above freezing, but the better chance of any, and it would be just a very light glaze of ice would be across interior sections. Mainly cloudy, but dry for now in Providence. The temperature at 31. Most areas checking in now between 30 and 35. That includes 30 in Providence, into Bedford 32. So cold, though not exceptionally cold, but all you have to do is just have the temperature near or just below the freezing mark. Anything as simple as just plain old drizzle ends up producing a glaze of ice in some locations. So weather headlines includes that showers, light rain showers, drizzle, and freezing drizzle for tonight. A leftover rain shower early tomorrow morning. Then the rest of the day looks dry. Beautiful on Thursday. Take advantage of it. Warming up towards the end of the week, but it comes with a round of rain late Friday and especially into Saturday. Satellite and radar composites showing there is some precipitation in nearby Connecticut. The green is plain, kind of non-freezing rain or drizzle. The pink represents either sleet or some freezing mist or freezing showers. So that's something that we're going to be mindful of, especially if we can use the Route 95 corridor as sort of a guide. North and west of the Route 95 corridor, the better chance of seeing some icing later tonight. All ahead of this front approaching from the west, you see moisture that'll be working in the form of just light precipitation, light rain showers and some drizzle. So this is what it looks like right now. When we switch it over into the future and then watch the time bar, you see that moisture working in, rain showers, freezing drizzle and some drizzle. This is 11 o'clock tonight. While we're sleeping, like 3 in the morning, still continues with freezing drizzle and drizzle, temperatures on either side of the freezing mark. Now, early tomorrow morning, we'll start with clouds and a leftover rain shower. We'll start to get temperatures going above freezing, and then during the afternoon, dry, some partial clearing late in the day. The afternoon hours look fine. Any clearing would be later in the day, temperatures near 40. Move ahead to Thursday, which is one of the nicest days of the week. Take advantage of it. Sunshine, light winds, and pleasant temperatures in the lower 40s. Seas will be mild on Friday. Look at the high temperatures Friday afternoon, approaching the low 50s, but watch for rain showers to be approaching. Right now, it looks like late afternoon, early Friday evening, and we do have wet weather, unfortunately, for Saturday. For this evening, depending on your locations, showers, drizzle, and some freezing drizzle. Icy spots, the better chances the further north you go across inland areas. Here it is graphically, especially north and west of, say, Route 95, especially if you have travel plans later tonight as you head up towards Worcester and along the Mass Pike and into southern Worcester County. Probably even a better chance of some icing during the overnight. Tomorrow morning, a leftover rain shower starting off with a lot of clouds. Could be a few icy spots early. 11 a.m. we're above freezing. Clouds giving way to partial clearing by later in the day. Otherwise, tomorrow afternoon is quiet in the upper 30s to around 40. All right, 7-day forecast. Nice weather on Thursday with sunshine, increasing clouds Friday. We've got rain showers Friday evening, Friday night. Saturday looks like an all-day rain with drizzle and fog. Temperatures in the upper 40s. A leftover shower Sunday. Dries out Sunday afternoon, and I do anticipate cool, dry weather for the Patriots game on Sunday night. So again, it's not just any secondary roads, even your driveway or a walkway later tonight. Watch for some icy glaze.
All right, Tony, thank you. Still ahead on 12.